Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic keyshot tutorials how to change background color. To change background color, you can active for the project bar. You can click in here, project, it will be show for project bar, and then you can go to environment tabs, click backgrounds, and it will be show for the options like environments, color or backlight image. In here you can set for colors and you can change color by clicking at this button. Like I will set into this color, so it will be automatically changed. But you can change again like into this green color. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it. How to change background color in Keyshot. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.